Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we have another Hot Wheels, an oldies one, Baja Blazers, the Land Rover Series 2. Now, the actual car, from what I can see on Wikipedia, I will place a link in the description below with some actual images, run from 1958 to 1961, so only 3 years. Body style, 2 doors, 4 doors, 2-door pickup, different engines, different transmissions, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I will place the information on in the description below from Wikipedia. The designer is David Bach, not really sure. But yeah, this is the 164 of that particular real life car. Okay, let's get it outside. And the blister, really interesting, several details, the price, of course. And we have a driver. Now this is a racing driver. Why would we have a racing driver on a 4x4? Not really sure, but it doesn't matter. Let's set this aside and look at the model itself. This is pretty cool, like really cool, a ton of details, really interesting. It is a bit heavy to be honest, not that heavy, but still really cool. As always, Hot Wheels didn't detail the headlights, unfortunately, not even the logo of the manufacturer, but like I said in my previous videos, I am looking into how I can make these details. But looking over the model, the latches for the bonnet are an interesting touch. This would be the windscreen, the windscreen. What do we have here? Clone, Campbell, another little detail. So as you can see, this particular model is for the beach, going on the ocean, surfing and such. 3 passenger configuration, but of course we don't have a 3rd passenger because of the surfboard. The spare wheel on the bonnet, it is detailed, it is really cool. The wheels are as well. The exhaust pipes, back of the car, and some interior design. Usually on other Hot Wheels that I had, because the interior is not I don't think I ever featured an open top car until now, open top model. I don't think so. This might be the first. Yeah, I don't remember at this point. You can check the list, the 164 Hot Wheels list, playlist actually. If I ever had that, please say in the comments if I did. And as I was saying, the interiors are always one piece. There are almost always one cast because you don't have access to it and you don't properly see it. But here it is interesting that they did the steering wheel and the interior. On the surfboard we have Land Rover, and it is fixed in place with some rope, or what this would be. Of course there is no actual rope, it's from the casting process, but yeah, you get the point. We have a wrench, I don't think, and some slippers. You see? Yeah, that's really cool, really interesting small Easter egg and details. Those are beach flippers, really cool. Yeah, cool. BF cartridge. Yeah, this is really nice, really nice. I really like it. But you know that as always, I would really like to know your opinion on these things. Leave a comment down below. From my end, I really like this. It will sit next to the others, really comfy. But yeah, that being said, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.